Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss the next part of chapter 2, which includes e-learning, e-banking, e-shopping, and e-reservation. So one by one, actually e-terms refers to electronic. Okay, so I'm going to touch all these topics one by one. My first topic is e-learning. Students, what is e-learning? E-learning refers to a learning system that we can obtain through the internet using an electronic device. We call it online learning or online education. Students, see students, we all are, yes, having the e-learning facility. Like you also, if I will be in touch with other website and that website contains some materials, understood, has the MCQs questions, has online courses, online examination, yes, then this all part will come under e-learning. Understood? Now what are the advantages of e-learning? Due to its convenience and flexibility, the resources are available from anywhere and at any time. Listen, you are also getting information from me using the Zoom. Either you are very close or you are very far or you have gone to other country, no problem. You can be able to get the benefits of e-learning. Everyone who are part-time students or are working full-time can take advantages of based learning. You have the courses, Byju, these apps, what? E-learning apps. Now, the next point, it is giving you 24 into 7 days facility. That means never the server is shut down. At any time you can join and get the benefit. But that will be not your live classes. Live classes, then you have a schedule. But if you miss the live class, you have the recorded classes also. It is a very convenient and flexible option. Above all, you don't have to depend. You don't have to depend. Yes. So, never your server is shut down, my dear. At any time you can get the facility 24 into 7. It shows 24 hours. Understood? 7 days of facility. Now through discussion boards and chat, you are able to interact with everyone online and also clear your doubt. If you have the faculties over there, you can join there and have all your queries. Whatever the queries, you can post it or you can have the live session. There also you can clear your doubt. Now, the next part. The video instructions that are provided for audio and video learning can be rewound and seen and heard again. That means if suppose you missed it, you can see that video again and again. Even you can download it. If you want, no, my net should not be consumed more. One time you download it and every time you can have that videos watched. And again, if you do not happen to understand the topic first time, that means if first time it is not clear to you, then again you can, yes, run that video and you can understand it. Now the next part, that is the disadvantages. Where you have the advantages, there you have the disadvantages also. Most of the online assessments are limited to questions that are only objective in nature. Yes, obviously, many questions you will be having. Even you have the online examination, there also you will be having only the MCQs questions, not the subjective questions. there will also the problem of the extent of security of online learning programs. Yeah, the main concern, that is your security. That means once you have, yes, you are using or you are availing the e-learning facility, and anyone is knowing your information, your user ID and password, he can illegal way log into the site and get all the facilities. Now, next one, the authenticity of a particular student's work is also a problem, as online. Just about anyone can do a project rather than the actual, yes, students itself. You know, it happens. If suppose you have been given the project, what happens? The other person makes the project, yes, and gives the name of yours. Even in online examination also, what happens? Students are not giving, as in place of that some other are giving the examination. So you cannot say there can be fair examination. The assessment that are computer marked generally have a tendency of being only knowledge based and not necessarily practically based. That means if you want to have your practical topics to be discussed and students will join and also do it, it cannot be possible. Only the theoretical part that can be possible using the e-learning. But even the practical part can be shown, my dear, using the videos. But how you will understand? Students only can understand when they will do the practical. Now, my next topic is e-banking. I hope everyone is aware of e-banking because it is very useful for us. Understood? In adverse situation, e-banking is very, yes, useful for us. Now, first of all, you have to know what is e-banking. E-banking, you can say online banking, you can say internet banking, whatever you want, mobile banking, whatever you can say. Online banking, also known as internet banking, e-banking, or virtual banking. Here I have used the term virtual. Virtual means what? The bank is not available, but the services you can get it at home. Is an electronic payment system that enables customer of a bank or other financial institution to conduct a range of financial transactions through the financial institution's website. Internet banking is a term used to describe the process whereby a client executes banking transactions via electronic means. That means, yes, being at home, he can have the fund transfer, he can go for e-payment, he can go for e-billing. Understood? He can go for recharges also. Either it is the DTS, mobile, whatever that one. All the facilities they can get it. And it will be 24 into 7 days of facility. Now, what are the advantages? So you can see the advantages, my dear. First one is convenience. That means you have to not go to bank. If suppose I have the fund transfer of 10,000 to your account, then why I will go to bank? Why I will fill the form to have the fund transfer? Why not I will go for the net banking? Okay, so first one is the convenience. Banks that offers internet banking are open for business transactions anywhere a client may be, as long as there is internet connection. So it means what? You have the internet facility, you can avail this facility. Understood? If you are not having internet or your internet connection is poor, maybe in between you can be disconnected from the bank server. Okay. Now, low cost banking service. E-banking helps in reducing the operational cost of banking services. Better quality services can be ensured at lower cost. Yes, obviously, my dear. Even the banking, the banks are not yes, taking high charges, yes, from the customers. Yes, whatever the facilities they are giving to you at a lower cost, and the person, whoever is enjoying the benefit of net banking, they not only get, yes, help from a particular topic, they get help, yes, from more topics. Yes, not only they are compelled to have the fund transfer, they have other thing also, like they want to go for the statement financial, they are going to pay the IT income tax. Understood? They are going to file the income tax. At that time, they need the statement. So why they will go to the bank? Download, they can download these e-statements directly from the site. Even if they are having the internet facility and has gone for net banking. Next one is transfer services. Just now I have already discussed. Now discounts also. Why discounts? When you are going for e-shopping, if you have your credit card of ICICI, SDFC, there you get additional 5% discount. Understood? So this type of services also you are getting it. Now anytime cash facility. Yes, you can go to your nearest bank, nearest ATM machine, and you can withdraw it. Understood? If physical payment, then you have to go to ATM. No need to go to bank, because bank is open only for 6 hours, 7 hours. But after that, if you need money, then how you can get it? Only there is one source, that is the ATM machine. There you can go use the credit card, debit card, and you can withdraw, yes, your money. Now, disadvantages. Yes, so first one is your high startup cost. Understood? E-bank requires high initial startup cost. It includes internet installation cost, cost of advanced hardware and software, modems, computers, and cost of maintenance of all computers. Okay, see, first one, what the disadvantage, that is high startup cost. Any bank who has to establish, yes, has to go for the setup. Surely, if the setup is going to be, if the infrastructure is going to be, yes, made, yes, at that time, yes, there will be huge expenditure. And how it will be maintained? Yes, only by taking charges from the customers. You have heard also that only from the same bank, if ATM machine, you are availing the SBI ATM card, from the same bank you can withdraw only this much amount. You have the restriction. And if you are going to withdraw more, you cannot avail this facility. And there is the limitation also, number of times also in a month, only that much. If you will exceed it, you have to pay more cost. Now, security concern. Yes, one of the biggest disadvantages of doing e-banking is the question of security. Yes, if your net banking user ID and password has been leaked, then you are going to face problem, because anyone can have illegal fund transfer, can have the online shopping. So this fear the customer has. That's why many of the customers, they are not going for the net banking, because they are thinking that if in wrong way, if I will go it, my hard money will whatever the hard money that I have in my account, yes, that will, yes, go to some other unknown account. Now, training and maintenance. Okay. E-banking requires 24 hours execution. Yeah, that means you can avail, yes, the services, yes, at any time. And if in case you think that someone has misused my account, you can report it. Understood? You have the toll-free number, you can report, and you can block the service, so that the person cannot try one more time just to go for illegal fund transfer. Okay. Now, the next part is your online shopping. I hope many of the students, they have gone for online shopping. Understood? Online shopping has the advantage and disadvantage also. So how you want to take it, yes, that is up to you, my dear. Now, online shopping is the activity of action of buying product or services over the internet. It means going online and purchasing the goods. Okay. Now, when I'm talking about the advantages and disadvantages, then what will come to your mind or my mind? Yes, you see, first one, convenience of online shopping. Customer can purchase items from the comfort of their own homes or workplace. First one, and even it is open 24 hours. But traditional way you are going to have the shopping, you have restriction. Maybe after 9 p.m., yes, you cannot go for the shopping because shutter will be down. Okay, yes, shops will be closed. Next one, no pressure shopping. Understood? That means, if you will go to, yes, any shop and you are going to see the items you not like, again, you will say, see, I want to see that one, that one, that one. Maybe that person can be annoyed. Maybe he will not show you. So here, this type of pressure you are not having. Yes, you can go there, you have a varieties. Even in shop, you cannot have the varieties, but in online shopping, yes, in that website, you will have a lot of varieties, lot of items. Yes, you can go and purchase it. Okay. Next one, online shopping saves time. Yes, why not? If suppose you have to go for the purchasing, you need the conveyance facility also. Maybe auto, maybe your car, whatever. Yes, it consumes. Yes, it has. You can say it consumes your time also, and even yes, if you are hiring the a vehicle, yes, you have to pay for that. But in online shopping, this type of facilities, yes, this type of work you have to not do it, because you have to not be outside of your house. You be at one place, fix yourself at one place, have the internet services to your laptop or mobile or whatever, and go for the purchasing one. Okay. Next one, online shopping saves time. Already, yes, comparison, you can compare it, yes, of two items. One is of other company, other one is of other one, and both you want to compare the cost, you can compare it. Understood? Even you can go to different websites also, like Flipkart and Amazon. You want to buy a laptop, you can compare the price of the laptop, which one is, yes, you can say cheaper. Yes, you can go to that website and purchase it. Now, next one is available. Already I discussed. Now, online tracking. Yes, if suppose you have purchased your product, yes, and you have already paid money, then you can check the status at what time it will come, where your delivery, yes, your item has reached. Understood? That you have your tracking, yes, ID item. That item you can punch it, you can fill it, and you can know where your shipping. That means whether your product has been gone for shipping or not, or it has reached at which place, when it is going to be delivered. That all facility you can get it. Now, online shopping session, yes, you have the cashback facility also. Even you are having the net banking facility, there also you will have more additional cashback, maybe 5%, 10%, it depends on the bank. Now, the next one is disadvantages. So, delay in delivery. Yes, obviously it is delayed, my dear. Because if you will go for the traditional way, as you pay, you get the product. But in online, you cannot get your product. Understood? It can take 1 day, 10 days, whatever. It depends on the distance. Okay. Next one, lack of significant discount in online shopping. You see, physical stores offers discount to customers and attract them. So this makes it difficult for e-tailers to compete with the offline platforms. You see, there are some shops, okay, with these shops are comparing the items with the online websites, and as per that they fix the price, so that more customers will reach, yes, to the shop and buy it. Understood? So some of the, even you have some malls also, there you have a heavy discount. Yes, buy one get one. Like that, this type of facilities you have. I'm not saying that all the shops are giving, but big shops, malls, there you can have facilities. Whatever the facilities, whatever the discount that you are getting there, here also you can get it. Now, lack of touch and feel of merchandise in online shopping. You see, lack of touch feel try creates concern over the quality of the product. Yes, online shopping is not quite suitable for clothes as the customers cannot try them. Like fitting, the main problem is fitting. You have seen the product, you have seen the size, even size can also vary. 34, you know, 34, but when you will wear, when it will be delivered to you, maybe it can be more, it can be less also. Okay, that means the size you cannot adjust yourself. But if you are going in traditional way, doing the shopping, there you can have the fitting. Understood? You can check it, everything, which your online cannot give. Okay. Now the next one is your lack of interactive in, wait. Yes, lack of interactive in online shopping. Okay. Physical store allows price negotiation between buyer and sellers. But in online, earlier we were having, the negotiation with the online merchants. Okay. But nowadays we are not having this type of services in online shopping. Whatever the price that is fixed or have given the discount, you have to, yes, anyhow pay that one to get that product. But in physical way, in traditional way, when you are going to have the shopping, there you can have bargaining. No, that shop is giving in 100 rupees, you are giving 120. Like this way you can say, and you can go for the negotiation. Now, next one is the lack of shopping experience. Okay. Now, the traditional shopping exercise provides lot of fun in the form of showroom atmosphere. Yes, smart sales. Yes, attendants. Yes, scene and sounds that cannot be experienced through a website. That means here you will have a fun. You will get the experience also. While touching, you can know it. You can judge the material. You can judge your cloth. Understood? But in online shopping, you cannot be experienced. Understood? Because only one item will come. But in traditional way, you can have more items. You can feel it. You can touch it. You can get the experience, my dear. But there you cannot get it. Now, lack of close examination. Yes, already I discussed this all. Now, the next one is fraud in online shopping. Yes, anyone can cheat it. Understood? If the item that you have selected, yes, maybe that item is the fake one. Understood? It is showing 999, but actually that item is of only 150. So they can cheat you. Many websites, they are having this type of, yes, work. They are just showing, yes, you that a new product, but instead of that they are giving you the old product. Even they are giving you the cheap items. So this type of problem you can face in online shopping, my dear. So these are the disadvantages. So e-reservation I cannot discuss, my dear, because there is a time foundation, my dear. So this topic I will carry in the next class. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.